present safety precaution
and step by step how to measure voltage. So before that, we are going to introduce ourselves. My name is Putri Prabintis Ha. My register number is 01 DEP 25F1039. And what about you?
My name is Nurul Syafika binti Irmasyani. My register number is 01 DEP 25F1042. Okay, let's start it. Analog multimeter, safety precaution. Okay, now we're going to start. It is very important to use a multimeter correctly to avoid accident and to get accurate reading. First, never apply power to the circuit while measuring resistance. Doing that can damage the meter. Second, remember the connection rules. Connect the multimeter in series for current and in parallel for voltage. Also, when measuring AC, make sure the multimeter is switched to the AC setting. And for DC measurement, always observe the correct polarity. After finishing with the multimeter, switch it to the off position if available. If not, put it on the highest voltage range. Another important point is to always start with the highest voltage or current range to protect the meter. Don't forget to adjust the 0 ohm reading before measuring resistance. And lastly, when measuring AC, be certain to read on the AC scale of the multimeter.
Bend the resistor using long nose pliers. Insert the resistor to the project board using long nose pliers. Insert the test lead to the multimeter. The red one is positive and the black one is negative. Set the multimeter to the higher range value. Measure the voltage of the power supply. Clip the crocodile clips to the power supply and the other side clip to the resistor at the project board. Now we are going to measure V1, V2, V3 and V total. Align your eyes straight to the scale when reading the multimeter.